At home, we often also have programmable thermostats. Hi, my name is Devon, and I'm a graduate student researcher at the Energy Conservation Office and a master's student in the Energy Graduate Group at UC Davis. Today we're going to talk about scheduling your home thermostat. So let's go take a look at My Thermostat and see what we can do. The first thing you can check are your set points. The most important or the easiest thing you can do to reduce energy use is to try to avoid active heating or cooling wherever possible. So, we have a heating set point that's set at 62 and a cooling set point that's set at 78. This is a reasonable window where you can still be comfortable in your house but also avoid heating or cooling whenever possible. The other thing that's important to do is to make sure that your heating and cooling system isn't scheduled to turn on when you're not home. So let's practice by scheduling My Thermostat. I have a Nest. You might have something similar or something that looks pretty different. And though navigating through the thermostat might be kind of different, the concepts are the same. To get to the schedule, we scroll down into Settings and click into the schedule. So looking at my Wednesday schedule, and you can see it looks kind of funky. At 3:30, it's trying to keep my house below 68, which would require a lot of energy, especially on a day like today when it's supposed to be 100 at 3:30. So this is not what I want. Let's leave the set point 77 at 8 a.m. and delete the 73 degrees at 12 p.m. So we're going to remove this one. And then I know I'm going to be out of the house from 4 until 8. So I'm going to I'm going to change this one. Leave it at 4 p.m. but increase the temperature. Let's increase it to 85. So though the conditions in my house won't get too bad, my HVAC system won't have to work too hard. And we'll leave that one. And then when I get home at 8 p.m., I want to change this. Keep it at 8 and have my set point set back at 77. So that's changing your schedule for the day. You can do this day to day, or you can keep a weekly schedule. When I first started at the Energy Conservation Office, I worked on a project called SWARM. That stands for Small Workplace Air and Remote Monitoring. And the goal of that project was to be able to schedule HVAC systems in our small buildings around campus so that they are operating only when the spaces are occupied. So as a result of this project, we can not only reduce energy waste, but we can also make people happier and more comfortable in the spaces that they work. So while scheduling thermostats might not seem all that exciting, it's a really important action we can all take. Reducing energy waste is a crucial strategy, not just for UC Davis's carbon neutrality goals, but for California's climate action targets. If you're interested in learning more, you can check out our website, Instagram, or other videos on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!